Kabasura Kudineer is a well-known Siddha medicine that consists of 15 herbal ingredients, each of them having unique characteristic features of its own. But this Churnam is extensively aimed for boosting the lungs, improving respiratory mechanism, and treating infectious conditions like cold, cough, fever, and other respiratory infections. This Churnam became quite well known during the times of flu, owing to its therapeutic and curative qualities. The Churnam, though in powdered form, is generally consumed after infusing it in water and making a decoction or kada-like consistency. For better results, use it for a week. You can even use the tablets if not for this Kashayam, but the benefits may not be as effective as in the Kashayam. I think most of you know the benefits of the well-known Triphala Churnam, which is prepared in the ratio of 3:2:1, that is 49% amla, 34% baheda and 17% harad. This Gaurashtra Triphala Churna has been prepared only with the outer part of the fruits used. They have not used the innermost core of the fruits, which is very hard in nature. It contains higher percentage of amla in it. Amla used is completely organic, which does not leave room for even minor side effects. It improves your immunity and detoxifies your body. Not only this, being a rich source of iron, calcium, vitamin C, you can expect better longevity of your life.